We're making agnolotti di Crab Rangoon. Think of them as mini calzones.
Calzone bites.
Calzone bites.
Crab Rangoon pizza bites. G Pizza is
Wow.
going to show us how to make it.
Hi.
So, what are we starting off with?
One of like the most popular American Chinese tiki was popular in like the 50s, 60s. It's making a comeback.
Okay.
The easiest thing in the world to make.
Okay.
So we're gonna take some crab. This is lump crab. You can buy your fresh crab, stone crab, king crab,
Costco crab.
Costco crab. Just crab, fresh crab. We're gonna put some crab. That's enough crab. Then what I like to use is a little bit of, this is fermented garlic flour. Is it a nice garlicky flavor without like getting garlicky? We're gonna take some
Ginger.
Yeah, we just want to flavor the crab.
Okay.
So we're just gonna clean it.
Okay.
This part that we want to use because it's the right thing to do. So this is clearly like an unorthodox take on Crab Rangoon. It's an Italian trying to be special. And just a touch of lime zest. Now, when you're making lime zest by hand and you're not using a grater, it's important not to get the pith. The pith is the white part, it has a little bitter taste.
Yeah.
So this is what we did. Now we're just gonna microdose of lime. This is just some black pepper.
Okay.
Oh, it could be. And this is some salt. So we're gonna mix this up. And we're gonna add some cream cheese.
Is that a very important ingredient for Crab Rangoon?
Pretty much, yeah. That's pretty much all it is cream cheese and crab. So we're gonna just take a little bit, a spoonful, mix it all together. This is gonna be our filling. Now usually they're fried. And frying is fun. You wrap them in the wonton wrappers.
Yeah.
And then you fry them.
But we're going to bake it today.
I'm a pizza man.
All right. So let's put in the pizza oven.
That's it. So why not? So here, it's a nice mix. Crab Rangoon. Tasty.
Smells good.
I think so. This is a pastry poche, a pastry bag. And just cut off, bring everything to the bottom and one of the ends and cut off and use that. Follow me to the factory. This is our pizza dough.
Yeah.
You've seen it before. Now, my pizza dough is obviously what I think is the best, but any pizza dough.
We'll do it.
So we're gonna treat this like a pie crust. We're not gonna destroy it, but we're just gently gonna roll it out.
So are we losing a little bit of air bubbles?
A little bit, but not. It's more about redistributing the air bubbles
Okay.
than it is about losing the air bubbles. But we're not gonna like stretch it out like a pizza dough. Like this is fun with the kids. It's fun with your family. It's Crab Rangoon, man. We'll do it a little bit more.
So it doesn't need to be a perfect circle, I see.
No, what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna mimic a pasta shape called agnolotti.
Okay.
Big words.
Why are we using an egg?
To help close the dough and
Okay.
help it stick
Okay.
so it doesn't fall apart when we bake it. And this is gonna help to shape it. It's a shaping wheel. So we have this looking like Australia. Okay. Really easy now, really fun.
So why are we piping this and not just spooning it in?
You could.
Okay.
I'm just trying to be a little bit cleaner.
Okay.
And maybe you want to get some control, but we're gonna pretty much pipe it into little bite-sized, okay? We're gonna take some egg yolk. What most people do is they use a brush to roll the Rangoon. See that? Then we're gonna press down. We're gonna leave a little lip. And we're making agnolotti di Crab Rangoon. And then we're gonna think of them as mini calzones.
Calzone bites.
Calzone bites. Wow. I'm gonna give it a smoosh of olive oil
So it doesn't stick.
so it doesn't stick and it helps to bake and crust and make it nice and crunchy. Then a little drizzle of olive oil and into our 650-degree oven we go.
And how long are you cooking this for?
Until they're ready. Usually in a hot oven, 450, you want to bake it for about 10-15 minutes. In our pizza oven, we'll probably need it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And in an air fryer, please consult your local manual. So let's make a dipping sauce, okay? We're gonna take a lime. We're gonna squeeze the lime juice. A few moments later, guys, just use a lime squeezer. Don't use your hands if you can. you'll get more juice. A little piece of cream cheese or mascarpone or sour cream or Greek yogurt. And we're just gonna mix it so it's nice and creamy. I'm gonna add a touch more, but usually it's about 2 tablespoons for the juice of 1 lime. Woo, Crab Rangoon. Perfect. Friends are coming over, family's getting hungry. Time to plate your Crab Rangoon. Go to your local dollar store. Get some of these cups. Beautiful sturgeon caviar, which we're gonna drizzle some olive oil on. So these are a nice little Crab Rangoon agnolotti calzones. I'm just gonna drop them in here. And here you have it, Crab Rangoon.
Crab Rangoon pizza bites. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
I wasn't expecting that garlicky flavor, but I like it. Crab Rangoon.
Rangoon.
Crab Rangoon pizza bites.
Pizza bites.
Crab Rangoon pizza bites. Absolutely delicious. G Pizza kicked it out of the park again.
Out of the park.
If you like this type of pizza and you're in Montreal, check out gpizzas.com.
With an S.
There you go. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and check out these other great videos.